GameStop. When the internet fought Wall Street. In early 2021, something truly strange happened. A struggling video game retailer called GameStop, known for its small store and physical game discs, suddenly became the most traded stock in the world in early 2021, which is weird because business wasn't exactly booming. Just the year before, in 2020, GameStop brought in about $5 billion in revenue, but also recorded a $215 million net loss. Hedge funds saw a company on the decline and bet big against it. They shorted the stock, meaning they borrowed shares and sold them, hoping to buy them back cheaper later and pocket the difference. But some regular retail investors, many of them posting on Reddit's Wall Street Bets forum, noticed something unusual. GameStop wasn't just shorted, it was over-shorted. In fact, more shares were shorted than even existed for public trading, over 140% of its available float. That's like trying to sell 140 apples when only 100 are on the shelf. So the Reddit crowd and other retail investors started posting, sharing memes, strategies, screenshots, rallying the herd. And they started buying and buying and buying. GameStop's price exploded. In early January, it was trading around $17. By January 27th, it had skyrocketed to nearly $350. That's a 2,700% surge in just a few weeks. Trading volume hit 175 million shares a day, several times higher than normal. One hedge fund, Melvin Capital, lost billions. They had heavily shorted GameStop, and as the price skyrocketed, their losses piled up fast. They had to be bailed out with a $2.75 billion rescue package from other hedge funds. But at that point, this wasn't just about stock prices. It became a movement, a crowd of retail investors, many of them first-timers, trying to beat Wall Street at its own game. They called it a revolution. Hold the line, to the moon! It felt like David versus Goliath, with memes and money. But of course, not everyone won. Some people bought in too late. Others held on too long. The stock eventually crashed back down, and many lost everything they put in. Still, GameStop was more than a meme stock. It exposed real vulnerabilities in the market, short-selling mechanics, how a swarm of internet users can move quicker than billion-dollar hedge funds can adjust, how sentiment, not fundamentals, can drive price. The lesson? Markets aren't always logical. And in a world of Reddit threads and viral hype, sentiment is a weapon. But risk, always, moves faster.